Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Lola AE29 DIY. So today on the channel we're going to be doing a quick unboxing. So I thought, why not do it with the family? So let's get into it. So I have ordered a few things for the studio. Well, it's more for my fashion studio, but some bits I can use for here on DIY. So first of all, I've ordered some chalk. Struggling here with the with the packaging, but yeah, but look guys, my chalk broke in transit. Not happy, but you know, they're still usable, so I couldn't go through with the drama of trying to send it back. So here they are. I got the yellow, the blue, the red and the white. It comes as a pack of 4. So let's get on to the big package now. So this part of the unboxing is exciting for me because I got loads of little bits that I really needed for the studio. Like my cutting mat. I needed a new cutting mat and a rotary cutter, but you guys will see as I continue to unbox. So let's start with the first one. This is the ruler. A transparent ruler with loads of different measurements on it. It's helpful with your angles and with your centimeters, which is here at the bottom here. You can see them all around the edges, the centimeters. I would have preferred it in inches, but you know, it's not really going to be that hard for me to work it out. So yeah, this is the ruler. So the next one is the cutting mat. Again, I got this all in pink because I wanted it to kind of match the studio area, because most of my stuff here is like royal what do you call it again, rose gold or pink and grey and white. So they're the kind of colors that I like to keep in my studio, so I thought this cutting mat would go well. As you can see, this one side is centimeters and has angles, and then this side here, which is probably going to be the side that I use the most, is in inches. So in this box, exciting, we're going to be opening the rotary cutter, which is here. Again, it's in pink. I'm loving this. I'm excited because I've had one before, but I've never really used it, but I'm excited to use it again now. So look, another little mini one came in the pack. Again, I wasn't sure if that was a bonus or if that was part of it, because I don't remember seeing that. But they come with extra blade. You've got these little clips, which again, I love. I've always wondered where to get these. So I'm glad these came in the pack. These are really good for like when you're using, when you're trying to pin down leather or things that you just don't want to make holes in. It's good to use those kind of clips. This is another like a pen knife, which I tend to use these for like when I'm doing my shoes, when I'm covering shoes with Ankara. Again, these come with extra blades. Again, it's come in a pink color, so that's wonderful. And then the last thing here that came are the pins. Extra pins, always good to get extra pins. So this is everything that came in the box. And hopefully I will remember to put the link in the description box down below. So if any of you guys want it to check it out, you guys can check it out for yourself. So let's move on. So I thought it wouldn't be fair if I didn't demonstrate how to use the rotary cutter. So this is me here doing that with just a little piece of fabric. I should have ironed out the fabric first, but again, you guys can just see how smooth it is. So let me just try and demonstrate. I'll try and go across the line so you can kind of see how straight it goes. There we go. And there we go again. Can you see how smooth it is? Yeah, I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm excited to use it. So the last thing that came in the package is this paper cutter. Again, this is another thing that I really wanted because it'll help me and the kids. So when the kids are doing their craft stuff, it will be good. And also just when I need to just cut down certain papers or any kind of packaging stuff that I'm doing, it will be very helpful. So this is a paper cutter that I got. Again, I got it in pink. Helps you with the measurements, the angles, centimeters, inches. You know, it's amazing. I've used it before. This, let me show you a little demonstration. So guys, that's how it works. It's lovely. It's very affordable. It does what it's supposed to do. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.